Hello and welcome to my class. My name is Teacher Foster. Don't forget to subscribe to my various social media channels, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. You can find me there as Teacher Foster. Alright, today we are looking at an example in partial fractions. So we are to resolve this rational expression into partial fraction. Now, one way to tackle any partial fraction question is to look at the nature of the denominator. If you look at the nature of this denominator, it's been reduced and so it makes it linear. So I can now proceed to solve or resolve this into partial fractions. So let's look at it. 2x minus 13 divided by x plus 1, x minus 2. I can write this as a over x plus 1 plus b over x minus 2. Alright, so you can see actually this is equivalent to this. So this is a fraction now, so I have to find the LCM. So my LCM here will be x plus 1, x minus 2. This into this will be left with x minus 2 multiplied by the numerator a. So I have x minus 2 plus this will take care of this. So I'll be left with x plus 1 multiplied by b. That will give me b into bracket x plus 1. Alright, and this is equivalent to giving partial fraction. Alright, you can see clearly that the denominators are the same. So once the denominators are the same, then I can equate the numerators. Good. So if I'm equating the numerators, then I'll have 2x minus 13 is equal to a into bracket x minus 2 plus b into bracket x plus 1. Alright, so now I'm looking for the constants a and b to replace this a and b here. How do I do that? If you look at this clearly, one way is for me to eliminate one of the variables. So I have x minus 2, x plus 1. So I can decide to eliminate a or b. So for this particular example, I'll decide to eliminate a first. Alright, so in order to eliminate any of the variables, I want to eliminate a in this case. You will see that if I am looking for a value that when I replace here, it will change this whole expression to 0. And so I have x minus 2. So I have to say that if x minus 2 is equal to 0, then I can substitute x is equal to 2. So what it means is that when x is equal to 2, I'm going to substitute this into this expression. So this should give me 2 times 2 minus 13 is equal to a 2 minus 2 plus b into bracket 2 plus 1. Right, so 2 times 2 should give me 4 minus 13. And now 2 minus 2 is 0 times a, that should give me 0. So that eliminates a. Then I'll be left with 2 plus 1, which is 3, times b. And that should give me 3b. Alright, so 4 minus 13 will give me negative 9. So this will be negative 9 is equal to 3b. I am looking for b, so I'll divide both sides by the coefficient of b, which is 3. So this side also by 3. This gives me negative 3. So my b, let me continue from here. My b will be equal to negative 3. So that's the value of b. Now, the same expression, 2x minus 13 is equal to a into bracket x minus 2 plus b x plus 1. So this time I want to eliminate b. But you see that the number attached to b, or the expression attached to b, is x plus 1. So I will say that x plus 1 is equal to 0. If x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to negative 1. So now I can substitute negative 1 into this expression. So that will give me, into this equation. 2 into bracket negative 1 minus 13 is equal to a into bracket negative 1 minus 2 plus b into bracket 1 negative 1 plus 1. Alright, 2 times negative 1 will give me negative 2 minus 13, and that's equal to negative 1 minus 2 give me negative 3 times a, and that is negative 3a. Negative 1 plus 1 will give me 0. Multiplying b, that eliminates b. So now, negative 2 minus 13 will give me negative 15, and that's equal to negative 3a. I am looking for a, so I'll divide both sides by the coefficient of a, which is negative 3. So I'll divide this by negative 3, divide this by negative 3. This takes care of this. Negative takes care of negative. 3 here, 1, 3 into this, 5. So my a is equal to 5. Alright, now having found my a and b, you don't have to end here because we introduced the variables a and b. And so we have to replace them with the values of a and b. So I will now say that therefore this expression 2x minus 13 over x plus 1, x minus 2 resolved in partial fraction will be my a. I found my a to be 5. So 5 over x plus 1. Then my b. I found my b to be negative 3. So that becomes minus 3 over x minus 2. And that gives me the solution. So I'll be able to resolve this rational expression into partial fraction. And don't forget to always substitute the values of the variable into the expression that you have created so that your final answer will look like this. Alright, thank you very much. I hope you were able to go through with me. If you have any question, any comment, leave it in the comment section and I'll attend to you. Thank you very much.